Bright flowering perennials can bring vibrant color and energy to your front yard, while providing long-lasting blooms year after year. By incorporating these companion flowering perennials in your front yard, you'll create a lively and colorful garden that provides visual interest from spring to fall. This video is going to explore 12 best flowering perennials for amazing landscaping. Garden phlox. It is a popular flowering perennial plant, cherished for its abundant and colorful blooms. Garden phlox typically grows in clumps, features lance-shaped leaves, and flowers form dense clusters at the top of the stems. Colors range from white to shades of pink, purple, and red, with some varieties featuring bicolored or striped petals. Black-eyed Susan, a popular perennial, scientifically known as Rudbeckia, is a drought-tolerant perennial. It is valued for its long-blooming daisy-like flowers, in rich tones of gold, bronze, and brown. Black-eyed Susan plants typically feature bright yellow or orange-yellow, daisy-like flowers with dark brown or black centers, which give them their distinctive appearance. A perfect companion plant for colorful landscaping. Salvia, also known as meadow sage, is a sun-loving perennial. Typically produces upright spikes of small, tubular flowers in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white, depending on the cultivar. With its long-lasting blooms and easygoing nature, it's a popular choice for gardeners looking to create beautiful and sustainable landscapes. Spanish lavender. A lovely perennial plant, appreciated for its unique flowers and aromatic foliage. Lavender features narrow, aromatic leaves that are gray-green in color, providing year-round interest. It produces attractive spikes of small, fragrant flowers, in shades of purple, blue and pink. It is a drought-tolerant plant, a perfect choice for containers as well as front yard garden. Tickseed, also known as Coreopsis, is a low-maintenance perennial plant, known for its daisy-like flowers and airy foliage. The flowers are daisy-like with a prominent central disc, comes in shades of yellow and orange, depending on the species and cultivar. This long-blooming perennial blooms profusely from late spring to fall, adding vibrant color to the garden. Speedwell, also called Veronica Speedwell, a versatile and attractive perennial plant, valued for their attractive flowers and low-maintenance nature. Veronica plants typically feature clusters of small tubular flowers that bloom in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white, depending on the species and cultivar. Speedwell perennial adds continuous blooms, starting from late spring to end of the summer season. Astilbe. It is a popular perennial, known for its feathery plumes of flowers and attractive foliage. It produces dense, feathery plumes of flowers, in shades of pink, white, red, and purple. The blooms typically appear in late spring to summer. It prefers partial shade areas, and it comes in such an amazing array of flower colors. Astilbe looks stunning in full bloom, and offer interesting texture as seasons change. Purple heart plant. It is a popular and easy-to-grow trailing plant, appreciated for its attractive purple foliage. The distinctive feature of the purple heart plant is its long, trailing stems covered with lance-shaped, purple leaves for most seasons of the year. One of the best companion plant to go for bordering areas of the front yard, as well as for container planting. Pink gaura, commonly known as gaura, is a perennial plant that produces wand-like spikes with small star-shaped flowers. Gaura plants can vary in height, with some reaching around 2 to 4 feet tall, making them suitable for mid-border positions in garden beds. The lance-shaped green leaves create a bushy yet slightly arching growth habit, providing an attractive backdrop to the profusion of flowers. Echinacea, commonly known as coneflower, is a popular perennial, valued for its easy-to-grow, long-blooming, stunning colorful flowering options. It comes in glorious shades of pink, orange, yellow and red, as well as a range of flower forms. Coneflowers generally bloom from early to late summer, adding a splash of color to the garden. Compact hydrangeas, such as tuxedo red hydrangea, endless summer hydrangeas are beautiful, long-blooming perennial shrubs, works perfect for shade areas of tight garden spaces. Hydrangeas are perfect to add long-blooming colorful flowers to any partial shade to shaded landscape areas. Be considerable while planting hydrangeas, to make sure enough space is there for its full potential. Sedum Autumn Joy, commonly known as stonecrop, is a popular perennial plant valued for its reliable performance, attractive foliage, and long-lasting blooms. The flowers emerge during summer season and gradually change color as they mature, creating a beautiful gradient effect. Overall, Sedum Autumn Joy is a versatile and attractive perennial plant that adds color, texture, and pollinator-friendly benefits to the garden. I hope this video is useful. Please do not forget to drop a like this video. For more interesting gardening videos, subscribe to House Talks channel. Thank you.